Hello, my students. How are you? Today we will continue talking about the lens, part 3. Calculate in centimeters the side length of square whose perimeter is 4 decimeter. We know that perimeter of square equal side length times 4. Perimeter of square equal 4 decimeter equal side length, it's not given, it's required, times 4. When we need to find side length, we will inverse this times to be divided. So, side length equal 4 decimeter divided by 4. Okay? Take care. Side length, we will inverse this times 4. We will move to the first scale. So, times 4 will be divided by 4. Side length equal 4 decimeter divided by 4 equal 1 decimeter. Take care. In centimeter. So 1 decimeter equal 10 centimeter. Don't forget, perimeter of square equal side length times 4. Side length equal perimeter of square divided by 4. Perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width all times 2. If we want to find width, it will be perimeter of rectangle divided by 2 and then minus length. If you want to find the length, equal perimeter of rectangle divided by 2 and then minus width. Okay? Please don't forget. The perimeter of rectangle is 86 centimeter and its length is 23 centimeter. Find its width in centimeter and in decimeter. We know perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width all times 2. So the required is its width. Width equal perimeter of rectangle divided by 2 and then minus length. Width equal the perimeter equal 86 divided by 2. All minus length equal 23. Okay? 86 divided by 2 equal 43 minus 23 equal 20 centimeter. Take care, it's required in centimeter and in decimeter. So 20 centimeter equal 2 decimeter. Please pay attention with me. Don't forget. These two numbers in the same units. Okay? Centimeter, centimeter. Can find the requirement. Okay? Please take care. The two numbers in the same unit. Okay? The next one. The sum of the perimeters of two square is 100 decimeter. If the side length of one of them is 8 decimeter, find the side length of the other square in decimeter and then in centimeter. Take care. Be sure that the two numbers in the same unit. 8 decimeter, 100 decimeter. So we can find the requirement. We know we have two squares, square 1, square 2. The sum of perimeter of square 1 and square 2 equal 100 decimeter. The first square we know side length equal 8 decimeter. But take care. Square 2 we don't know the side length. Okay? It's requirement. To find this, we must do this step. Perimeter of square 1 equal side length times 4 equal side length equal 8 decimeter. So 8 times 4 equal 32 decimeter. This is the perimeter of square 1. To find the perimeter of square 2, we will do 100. This is the sum of two perimeters of two squares minus 32. 32 is the perimeter of square 1 equal 68 decimeter. This is the perimeter of the second square. Okay? Now we can find side length of square 2. The rule is side length equal perimeter of square 2 divided by 4 equal the perimeter of square 2 equal 68 divided by 4 equal 17 decimeter. Please take care the requirement in decimeter and centimeter. So 17 decimeter equal 170 centimeter. The next one. It's wanted to make a frame to a rectangle shaped picture whose dimensions are 400 centimeter and 500 centimeter. Dimensions means length and width. Length is the big 500 centimeter. Width is the small 400 centimeter. If the cost of 1 meter of the frame is 3 pounds, what is the cost of the frame? We have two numbers in the same unit. Okay? This is the summary. This is rectangle frame. Okay? For this picture. For this nice picture. Okay? The length is 500 centimeter. The width is 400 centimeter. Of the frame cost 3 pounds. First, we will find the perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width all times 2. Length is 500 plus width 400. 500 plus 400 equal 900 all times 2. 900 times 2 equal 1800 centimeter. But take care. The cost of 1 meter of the frame is 3 pounds. So we need to convert the centimeter to meter to know the length of the picture. Parameters means the length, okay? Because our pictures in form of rectangle, we find the parameter of rectangle. Parameter of rectangle means length of the picture. In meters equal 18 meters. In our problem, given 1 meter cost 3 pounds. The length of your picture equal 18 meters. The number of meters increase. So the price also will increase. Increase means times. So the cost of frame equal 18 meters. This is the length of your picture times 3. This is the cost of 1 meter equal 54 pounds. The other one, the width of rectangle shaped piece of land equals third of its length. We know that the width is smaller than the length. So width equal third of the length. Calculate the parameter if its width equals 15 meters. Take care. To find the parameter of rectangle, you should have length and width. Given only width equal 15 meters. Okay? You should find the length. In our problem, give you relation between length and width. The width is small. The length is big. If the width is 15, this is a small number. So we want to calculate the big number. So we will do width equal third of length. Third means 1/3. Width equal length divided by 3. Width equal 15 meters equal length, it's required, divided by 3. If we want the length, we inverse the sign from divided, go to the first scale with times. So length equal 15 times 3 equal 45 meters. Please take care. The length is big. Width is the small. The width is 15. So the length will be more. So 15 times 3 equal 45 meters. Length equal 45 meters. Width equal 15 meters. So now we can calculate the parameter of rectangle. Parameter of rectangle equal length plus width all times 2. Length 45 plus width 15 all times 2. 45 plus 15 equal 60 times 2 equal 120 meter. Calculate the parameter of each of the following. A rectangle shaped room door whose length is 18 decimeter and width is 1 meter. Given length 18 decimeter, width 1 meter. But take care, these two numbers in different units. We need to make the units are the same. Please convert the big unit to the small unit. We know 1 meter equal 10 decimeter. Now the parameter of rectangle equal length plus width all times 2. Length is the big number 18 plus width is 10 all times 2. 18 plus 10 equal 28 times 2 equal 56. Take care decimeter. The next one. The figure represents a rectangular piece of land. This is piece of land in shape of rectangle. Its dimensions are 70 meter and 50 meters. 70 is length, 50 is width. And a squared playground. Inside the land, there is a playground in shape of square. Its side is 30 meters long, is constructed inside it. If the shaded part is surrounded by a wire from inside and outside. Please take care. We want to put a wire around the playground and also put a wire around the land. Okay, so the shaded part with pink color rounded by a wire from inside and outside. Find the length of the wire in each case. The playground in shape of square. So we will find perimeter of square equal side length times 4. But take care. Before find perimeter of square, be sure from something. You remember? Be sure that the all numbers have the same unit. 70 meter, 50 meter, 30 meter. All numbers in the same unit. So we can find the perimeter of square equal side length times 4. Side length is equal 30, so perimeter of square equals 30 times 4 equal 120 meter. The length of wire for the squared playground equal 120 meters. Perimeter of the land, we will calculate perimeter of rectangle. The land in form of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width all times 2 equal length 70 plus width 50 all times 2. 70 plus 50 equal 120 times 2 equal 240 meters. Length of wire for rectangular piece of land equal 240 meters. Total length of wire for the land and the playground equal 120 plus 240 equal 360 meters. Next one. Notes the drawing figure. Imagine that you cut the red part. This is the red part. Calculate the perimeter of the remaining part. Consider that the side length of small square is 1 meter. Please take care. This figure is rectangle. Its length equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The length is 5 meter. The width is 1, 2, 3 meter. The next figure is square. Okay? Please pay attention with me. The square has four sides are equal in length. This side of square equal 2 meters. 1, 2. This side is 2. The opposite side is 2 meters. The up side, please take care. This is 1 meter. The left part is half meter. The right part is half meter. Half and half equal 1 meter. So 1 meter plus 1 meter, the length of this side is 2 meter. Like these sides. The fourth side. This is 1 meter. The left part is half meter. The right part is half meter. Half and half equal 1. 1 meter plus 1 meter. Length of the fourth side is 2 meter. Now we can calculate the perimeter of rectangle and the perimeter of square. Perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width all times 2. Length is 5, width is 3, 5 plus 3 all times 2. 8 times 2 equals 16 meter. Perimeter of square equal side length times 4. Side length equal 2 meter, so 2 times 4 equal 8 meter. Perimeter of remaining part after cut red part square from rectangle figure. Please take care. Cut means remove. Cut means minus. So we will calculate the perimeter of remaining part after cut red part, the square from rectangular figure equal 16. This is the perimeter of rectangle minus 8. 8 is the perimeter of a square equal 8 meter. Good time for you. Goodbye.